had friends at the beginning of the year that I don't have now, and unfortunately I might have some friends I have now that I won't have at the end of the year. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Motivational Monday. It's been a while since I've done a Motivational Monday, but I'm really excited to get back into it, especially at this time because right now we're kind of all like feeling weird, we're going through stuff, and I know this could be a really lonely time for people because they can't talk to their friends, some can't see their friends, they can't see family members, so it can get really lonely during this period. Especially when you go on social media and see all these people that are not quarantined and aren't following the rules of quarantine, hanging out with their friends, and it could just make us a little sad. Like, I wish I could do that, but I'm really not allowed to or not supposed to. Gets a little sad. So I just wanted to talk to you guys today about friendships during quarantine, losing friends, and keeping in contact with friends because I know it can be hard. I know that it's kind of getting difficult because keeping a friendship when you see them every day is still kind of hard, but throw some social distancing in there, give it a little mix, and oh my goodness, it feels impossible. But for the most part, For the most part, me and my friends have been keeping in contact with each other, FaceTiming like every day or every other day, and like it's been fun. But I do have a little story time for you. So there was this girl, we were kind of starting a friendship. We're mostly classmates, but yeah, we would kind of sometimes hang out on the bus, so a little bit in the morning. And I want you guys to know that just because someone sees you every day or you guys like kind of talk a little bit, it's not really your friend. It kind of takes a little bit of time to build a friend-friend relationship, and you guys could like start being friends from the get-go if you guys really get along with each other, but most of the times they're just kind of classmates because it kind of takes a little bit of time to become somebody's friend because you kind of want to learn them, see how they're like, and see if you want to welcome them into your space. So I just feel like it should take a little bit of time, but you can have someone you're nice with, you're chill with, and you hang out with in class, like a classmate. So there was this girl, let's name her Kaylin.
Aggressive with the Kaylin.
Disclaimer, Kaylin is not the girl's name. So there was this girl, let's call her Kaylin. We were starting to get to know each other a little bit. We're starting to kind of become friends. We're hanging out a little bit more. We're talking a little bit more. Yada yada. Goody-doo. So we were getting cool, you know, and then school ended really quick, and then I didn't hear from her for 2 months, and I was kind of okay. I was okay that she didn't text me at all because, again, we were still kind of in that talking phase. We're not really talking, like getting to know each other phase to become friends, but we weren't really friends yet, and it was vice versa. I didn't text her and she didn't text me. It was both ways. Long story short, that relationship, or could have been friendship, ended and probably won't ever happen because of quarantine, because neither of us really cared enough about the other person to text one another, and that just goes to show that this can really mess up friendships. So that is a potential friendship lost, and I know a lot of people during this time are losing their friends, and some people are probably upset that their friend hasn't texted them, but phones can work both ways. You're probably like, why hasn't she texted me? Why hasn't my friend? But you can text her first, or you can text them first, and you don't know what's going on at home, so maybe they can't text you first right now. Instead of being upset that they haven't texted you, reach out to them first, and they can get back to you on their own time instead of just sitting there and thinking, does she not like me? Why isn't she texting me? They're probably thinking the same exact thing. Friendship is a two-way street. You have to put the effort in. So you just have to put the effort in right now, and because again, friendship goes both ways. Not one person could put 100% and then you just put 0, because that's not going to work out, especially during this time. And for me, one of my closest friends, we FaceTime and play Animal Crossing like almost every single day, and that's just like a time of the day where we can really bond and like see each other again. because we're used to spending all day at school together, and now it's just kind of weird. So we both make the effort to call each other and text each other and carve a time of the day to hang out, even though it's virtually. And speaking about two-way street and putting in effort, her birthday just recently passed, and I made a gift for her, and I wanted it to be like really nice and really good and special because she had a quarantine birthday, and it's not really fun because she couldn't really celebrate and do what she wanted to do for her birthday. So I just wanted to go out and get something like really special for her. I really wanted to do it for her because she means a lot to me, and I want to put the effort in. And I made it like really pretty, and I hope that she really liked it. And I went to her house, and I went to go drop it off to her through a gate 6 feet apart. Yeah, again, friendship is a two-way street, and I keep saying this, but I want you guys to know that it goes both ways. You can't just not put in effort and expect effort back. And you can also keep up with your friends on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram. Social media is really awesome for connecting with your friends and feeling less alone. And also playing online video games. I play online games with 4 of my friends, and it's just really fun to FaceTime and play the game at the same time. And it's just like really funny to laugh and joke around with the game. And it's really sad too because it's gonna be my last time to bond with one of them because one of them is moving on to high school. So I hope that us bonding now can keep that friendship even though we're not going to be at the same school. But I think right now we're just all trying to maintain our friendships and at least keep in contact with them, because it's going to be really awkward once we go back to school next year and it's like, oh, I haven't seen you since January, nor that I even try to talk to you. And that's another thing. If you try to put in the effort and like reach out to somebody, but they just didn't want to reach out back, or they didn't put in really any effort, then just let them go. It's not meant to work out. Don't be upset by it. Friendships come and go. I had friends at the beginning of the year that I don't have now, and unfortunately I might have some friends I have now that I won't have at the end of the year. They come and go. So you can only control the energy and the vibes and what you put out there. You can't really control what somebody else thinks about you or how they feel, or if they just don't want to be your friend. And that's okay. As long as you're not being a mean or messy person, then it has nothing to do with you, so it's fine. Just don't be upset by it. Some people just don't click. So I just wanted to make this video to kind of help everybody that is feeling alone during this time, because I know it can happen and it's very difficult to kind of maintain friendships. So I just wanted to give some people some advice that needed it, and because I am going through it too, trust me, you're not alone. But I just hope you guys know that if your friendships don't make it past this certain if your friendships don't make it past this, maybe they just weren't meant to be. And that's okay, because not every friendship is meant to be here forever. But yeah, just remember the good times you had with that person. Unless they were meanie panini, forget about them. We don't like them. But just remember the times you had with that person, remember the memories, and just move on. You can't force somebody to be in your life. So I hope this video helped you on if you feel like your friends don't like you, if you feel like you're losing friends, and how to maintain your friendships during this time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.